A Scouser should be treated with respect, not derision or scorn. Here at Scousers Trust, we aim to look after our Scousers with the dignity they deserve, not toss them aside like forgotten toys at Christmas. If you adopt one of our Scousers, they would write to you, but the majority are illiterate. So please, show some kindness. After all, they're only Scousers. Remember, we will supply them with as much cheap vodka as they want, heroin, glue, meow meow, anything. So please, make a donation. And remember, a Scouser is for life, not just Christmas.